Welcome back to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for tech enthusiasts like you. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with the DJI Air 3. If you're as excited as we are about innovative gadgets, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's jump right in. Hey, tech explorers! Today, we're exploring the DJI Air 3, a significant upgrade over its predecessor, the Air 2S. Packed with enhanced features and capabilities, this drone is here to redefine aerial photography and videography. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile option that strikes a balance between the Mini 3 Pro and Mavic 3 Pro. With improved wind resistance, a 3x zoom, and features like waypoint flight, it's a perfect fit for anyone seeking better performance in a lightweight package. Its dual cameras provide unparalleled image quality, thanks to the 12 megapixels or 48 megapixels photos they capture on two 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensors. What sets the DJI Air 3 apart is its creative potential. The 3x zoom might not seem essential at first, but it unlocks new horizons for capturing subjects that a drone of this size couldn't approach. From events to landscapes, the zoom lens offers exciting possibilities for photographers and filmmakers alike. Safety and flight are paramount in the drone world, and the DJI Air 3 doesn't disappoint. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, APAS 5.0 anti-collision technology, and advanced return-to-home, crashing is a thing of the past. Its range and signal have also received a boost, thanks to the external antennas on the DJI RC2 remote. Let's talk numbers. The DJI Air 3 is priced at $1,099 for the drone with the DJI RCN2 remote and a battery. While it's a bit more expensive than its predecessor, the added features and upgraded remote make it worth considering. The Fly More combo, priced at $1,349, offers even more value with extra batteries, a bag, and accessories. The dual cameras on the DJI Air 3 are game changers. With a wide-angle 24mm equivalent lens and a medium telephoto 70mm equivalent lens, you get the best of both worlds. The ability to shoot 4K video at 100 FPS and use advanced color modes adds another layer of creativity to your footage. Wrapping things up, the DJI Air 3 stands out as a well-rounded drone that caters to both beginners and professional pilots. Its advanced features, image quality, and safety measures position it as a strong contender in the drone market. Whether you're a creative enthusiast or a seasoned pilot, the DJI Air 3 offers the perfect blend of performance and affordability. And that's a wrap for today's review on the DJI Air 3. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more exciting gadget insights. Until next time, keep soaring to new heights.